Yo, what's going on, people? It's your boy Huncho, back at you again with another video. And so it seems as if there's finally been an update into the Oliver Stevens murder case. If for some reason you guys don't know about this story, I'm pretty sure the vast majority of you do know about this story though. But again, if you don't, on the 3rd of January 2021, a 13-year-old boy by the name of Oliver Stevens had been stabbed to death at Bugs Bottom Fields in Emma Green, Reading. The last update that we got from this situation was that two 14-year-old boys and a 14-year-old girl had been arrested and charged with murder. The girl was also charged with assisting an offender, whilst all three have also been charged with intent to pervert the course of justice. But since then, and like with all court cases, everything has gone quiet for a little while. But over the past couple of days, there has been some updates in relation to this situation, and I thought I'd share them with you guys. So recently, all three did turn up to court via video link, and this was so they could plead either guilty or not guilty to the charges that were brought against them, but due to technical problems, the judge decided that they wouldn't be entered. Instead, they were remanded back into custody ahead of a 5-week trial, which is due to start on the 21st of June this year, which, given the fact that there's a big backlog of court hearings, it's pretty quick on the grand scheme of things. It is believed that they'll be next in court on the 28th of May 2021 for further court hearings, where it's possible they'll be able to give pleas on that date, and I am definitely going to keep you guys posted on this story as it develops. But moving on to our next story, and for this one we've got to head over to the Graham Park estate located in Colindale. Now, for you guys that follow me over on my Instagram, if you don't, by the way, it's Huncho. I will leave it linked down in the description. But yeah, for you guys who do follow me on there, then you'll know what I posted about this story the other day. For you guys who don't know though, this story takes place on the 18th of March 2021, so a few days ago now, and detectives have recently put out an appeal for information after a firearm was allegedly discharged in the direction of undercover police officers in plain clothes. Yes, you heard that right. Over these past couple of days, people were allegedly letting shots off at police officers. At around 7 p.m. on that day, 10 plainclothes police officers from the Met's Northwest Violence Suppression Unit were on patrol in the Graham Park estate in Colindale and were responding to information that a large gathering had taken place in the area. As they approached the group of roughly 6 males who were believed to have been locals in the area, they made a run for it, and so officers gave chase on foot. During the chase, it's believed that a firearm was discharged not once but a number of times by one of the group towards unarmed police officers. No police officers had been hit during the attack, but they did go on to make one arrest of a man near to the scene who isn't believed to be connected to the group. A 49-year-old man was arrested on suspicion of constructive possession of a firearm, assaulting an emergency worker, and possession of cannabis. Detective Chief Inspector Gemma Alga, investigating, said, "The message is clear that any level of violence against our colleagues who serve the public and keep our communities safe will not be tolerated. We are committed to finding those involved and fully investigating the circumstances. The repercussions of this split-second action could have been grave. We could potentially have been dealing with a murder investigation. Nobody should go to work fearing that they may never return home." And this story is pretty wild, to say the least, and I know I've said stuff like this before, but this story could have literally been a completely different one that I was reporting on. Now, could you imagine if some of these bullets actually hit the officers? We would be reporting that a man has shot multiple police officers in a shooting, but of course that isn't the case, and I am going to keep you guys posted on this one when I get updates from it. But again, as of right now, there is no updates and no one has been arrested apart from that one man in regards to this situation. But let me know what you guys think of this down in the comment section below. Give the video a little like, and if you want the latest drill, street and music news out of the UK, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It's been your boy Huncho, and I'm out.